AI is everywhere, right? It's in the news, it's on our phones, it's all over the place. But what do we really know about it? You got movies telling you one thing, headlines promising another. It's almost impossible to figure out what's fact and what's just fiction. So today, we're going to cut through all that noise and set the record straight.
So what's the deal? Is AI this brilliant new tool that's going to solve all of our biggest problems, or is it the beginning of some sci-fi nightmare? The truth, as you might guess, is somewhere in the middle, and today we're busting the biggest myths out there to find it.
All right, let's start with the big one, the one that fuels pretty much every Hollywood blockbuster about technology, the idea of the machine uprising.
You know the story. You've seen The Terminator. You've seen The Matrix. A super-intelligent AI suddenly gains consciousness, decides humanity is a virus, and, well, you know the rest. It's dramatic, it's terrifying, but is it based in reality at all?
Nope, not even a little bit. That is pure fiction. Here's the reality check. AI doesn't want anything. It has no goals, no desires, and it's certainly not hiding in a server plotting against us. You got to think of it as a tool. An incredibly powerful one for sure, but just a tool that follows our instructions and gets very, very good at the specific jobs we give it.
See, the AI we have today is called narrow AI. Think of it as a specialist. It can be a grandmaster at chess or a genius at finding patterns in medical scans, but it can't do both. It doesn't think in the way we do. So if an AI system ever acts badly, it's not because it's evil, it's because a human programmed it poorly or fed it really bad data.
Okay, so the robot revolution is off the table. Whew! But what about our jobs? This is probably the most common, real-world fear that people have when we talk about AI and automation.
We hear this constantly, that we're all on the verge of being made obsolete, replaced by machines that are way more efficient and never need a coffee break. So, is it true? Are we all about to be out of a job?
The reality here isn't about replacement, it's about transformation. History shows us this over and over again. New tech always changes how we work, but it doesn't just eliminate it. AI is taking over the tedious, repetitive stuff, which actually frees us up to focus on the things that we humans do best.
Let's be honest. AI can't replicate genuine creativity. It can't do strategic thinking or have real emotional intelligence. As machines handle more of the grunt work, these uniquely human skills are becoming more valuable than ever. We're even seeing all new jobs emerge that are built entirely around managing and working alongside AI.
Now, this next myth is a tricky one, because modern AI has gotten incredibly good at mimicking us. It's so easy to believe there might actually be a ghost in the machine.
If you've ever had a long conversation with a chatbot, you know exactly how convincing it can be. It can write poetry, it can tell you jokes, it can discuss really complex ideas. It feels like you're talking to something that actually understands. But is that what's really happening?
Okay, here's the secret behind the curtain. The AI doesn't understand a single word it's saying. It has no consciousness, no feelings. What it's actually doing is analyzing a huge chunk of the internet and simply making a statistical prediction about which word should come next to form a sentence that sounds right to you.
The best way to think about it is this. It's the most sophisticated autocomplete ever created. That's it. It's a pattern-matching machine on a mind-boggling scale. It's simulating a conversation, not participating in one. It's an incredible feat of engineering, for sure, but it is not true understanding.
So, after busting these huge myths, where does that leave us? If AI isn't a villain plotting our doom, and it's not a conscious being ready to steal our jobs, then what is the reality?
It really all comes down to this. AI is a powerful tool, but it's still just a tool. Its performance is only as good as the data we feed it. It's here to change how we work, not end it. And while it can seem human, it's a brilliant simulation, not a soul. Understanding this is the key to using AI responsibly and unlocking its real potential.
And that really brings it all home, doesn't it? AI isn't an evil genius. It's a mirror reflecting the vast amount of human knowledge and, let's face it, all the nonsense that we've put online. It doesn't have original thoughts, just a very, very good memory and an amazing ability to recognize patterns. Now that we've cleared away the myths, you're ready to go deeper. This entire explainer was built on the clear, no-nonsense insights from Zain's new book, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. If you want to move past the hype and get the real story, it's the definitive guide. So the only question left is, now that you know what AI isn't, are you ready to master what it is? You can find the book on Amazon to start.